Hey guys, here's Daniel from 100 Life Design, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to become an apprentice instead of a workplace drone. Whether you're in school or you're still currently employed, a lot of us feel like our institutions are not investing in us. Sometimes it feels like you're just a small, disposable drone fitting into someone else's vision instead of an important resource to be sharpened and developed. But before you start pointing fingers, be bold enough to look at yourself critically. What are you doing to communicate to the right people that you're a worthwhile investment? Remember, we sometimes forget that our colleagues and managers won't know what we want unless we tell them. And that's why we've made this webinar to give you 5 ways to effectively and gracefully make yourself and your aspirations known. So let's get to it. Tip number 1, be inquisitive. Do you demonstrate every day a real interest in what you're doing? Do you ask questions to show you're interested in learning more and growing your career? If not, this is a habit you should immediately start forming. Talk to your colleagues, but especially talk to your HR group and your bosses. Make sure it is common knowledge that you're hungry to grow and learn more. Tip number 2, be humble. While you're communicating, don't forget to stay humble. You don't want people to think you're just after more perks or more money. Instead, make sure you're getting across a clear desire to engage and contribute to the success of your organization. Tip number 3, seek out training and certifications. What initiative do you take on your own time? If your workplace offers additional certifications or training, then do them. If no additional help exists, or even if it does, don't wait for an opportunity to come up. Find the help you need and make it happen on your own. Show your managers that you're serious about furthering your career, and in turn, that you're valuable and worthy of future investment. Tip number 4, join outside organizations. You can further boost the development of your skills by joining outside organizations in your field. Look for relevant charity work, interest groups, or peer mentoring programs. And no matter what you choose, try to get involved in them from a leadership perspective. That way you'll develop transferable skills for whatever else it is you're pursuing. Tip number 5, ask for career coaching. Sit down with your boss to talk about reaching out to others in your organization for career coaching. Start by talking with your immediate boss before working your way up the ladder. Of course, you want to meet with people higher up than your current boss, but you can't do this without making your current boss feel like he or she is unnecessary. You don't want to throw that person under the bus. And once you've reached out, keep communicating about your goals, work, and interest. So, in sum, we all want to feel like an apprentice rather than a workplace drone. And communication and action are two of the most important tools we have to make that happen. So start with these simple tips to share your goals and ideas and to show off how valuable you are to your workplace. Change is not going to happen overnight, but if you're genuine about growing in your organization, follow these tips and you'll be surprised at how quickly people start to take notice.